Hello from Finland. Dear viewers, subscribers and non-subscribed, ladies and gentlemen. This video is not gonna feature beauties and wonders of nature, of Finland, landscapes and cityscapes. I'd like to talk to you about happiness. What is happiness? Is it attainable? Is it possible? This video is the first one in a short series about happiness. The second one will be dedicated to Finland, why Finns are a happy nation. But this question, why Finns are a happy nation, invites us to discuss happiness as a phenomena. What is it, happiness? What does it mean to be happy or unhappy? So please, I want to know your opinion. Please write your opinions, questions in the comments under this video. Please give us your feedback, which matters, which is important for us. So let's get started talking about happiness.
Can we humans be happy at all? How long can happiness last if it is attainable? What is synonymous with happiness? Satisfaction? Joy? The Creator provided us with all necessary means and tools to be happy. Why then is there so many unhappy people among us? What makes us happy or unhappy? A young man who proposed to a girl he loves and received a yes in reply can be happy. That day could be one of the happiest days of his life. How long this happiness will last? Let's imagine they got married and live in the harmony of love. How long will their happiness last? A year? 2 years? If this is a successful marriage, they might be happy about a year or two, then happiness will be replaced by joy that will last long. Another example of short-term happiness might be an NHL player who wins the Stanley Cup with his team and scores the winning goal in the final game. How long is he going to be happy? A week? 2 weeks? Then happiness will be replaced by joy that will last long. Can you imagine a person whose hobby is their profession at the same time? For example, a cello player or a writer. They get paid for activities that they enjoy. Is this happiness? This is likely to be one of the longest lasting types of happiness. You get paid for what you actually love and enjoy doing. What makes people unhappy? Pride, greed, and envy that come from comparisons. Never compare yourselves to your friends, neighbors, co-workers, relatives, and so on. You will never be the richest, the strongest, the tallest, the most handsome, or most beautiful. Never. But if you compare yourself today with yourself yesterday or a year ago, you might notice that you are developing or degrading. So compete with yourself. Improve as a human, as a person. Do not compete with other people. If you ask me what the meaning of life is, my reply is enjoying life. Enjoying life without hurting other people, without taking what does not belong to you, without infringing on other people's rights and freedom. Live and let live. You cannot do one thing and magically become happy. It doesn't work that way. Happiness for many people often comes when they get a job promotion they'd been hoping for, or win a couple $1,000s from a lottery ticket. Happiness is often found in external sources, which means that it is fleeting. Why then would you focus so much of your time and energy looking for something that is fleeting. The secret is you shouldn't. Find joy. Happiness will not last. Joy will. Happiness is like cocaine. Exaltation, euphoria, and then fall back into reality. Joy is true delight and elation. Joy comes from within, joy lasts. It's something that you must work on every day. Joy comes from internal sources. No external circumstances or amount of money will impact your level of joy. That is something that is up to you. Joy is sustainable, but happiness is not. Happiness is elusive, which is why you should seek joy instead. In conclusion, a few words about pride. Pride is the first of the 7 deadly sins. It is devil's favorite. Pride is whispering into your ear, "You're better than him, you deserve more." It might make you commit bad things that you're gonna regret. People obsessed with pride can never be happy. They always want more and more and are never satisfied with what they have. My friends, forget pride. Remove it from your heart. If you're still young, try to make your hobby your profession. Earn your bread with skills that bring you joy. Treat other people well. Share your joy with them. So, please write in your comments to this video what do you think about it all. Do you agree or disagree with my reflections on happiness? Ask questions. I will reply to all your questions, I promise. And thank you so much for watching this video.